And the lemon juice makes it gel.
The lemon juice and the sugar.
Good girl.
How's it going, guys? What I'm doing in this video is just showing you the process that my mother uses for making her strawberry jelly. This is not necessarily a how-to video or anything like that. It's just me recording her making the strawberry jelly that she makes. And this is something that ever since I was a kid, she's always made various kinds of jellies and jams and things like that. And I just wanted to capture a little bit of that process on video. Again, it's not a how-to. And the type of jelly that she makes here, just like all of the ones that she makes, it's all natural. The only thing that she uses when she makes hers is she'll boil the berries, then she'll use just a little bit of, she'll use the sugar and then just a little bit of lemon juice, believe it or not. That kind of helps to make it gel. And here she's skimming off some of the foam that will come to the top as these berries are boiling. That's something that you want to make sure that you get out of the jelly. You don't want that in there because it will show up in the jars if you do not remove that. And that's something that, if you do any kind of canning or anything like that, that you will learn over time. And you can see that she's got pretty much all of the foam off of these. We're starting to get them further up to temp. There's a lot of stirring that goes into this process. You're continuously stirring it. You can see here she's checking the temperatures just to see that the temperature gets up to where it needs to be. And she uses that a few times, but at the same time she's made it many times without even using her thermometer, just because she's done it so much. And again, you can see the berries, you can see how it's being boiled, and now here it is putting the berries, the jelly, into a jar, and it is extremely hot at this point. I know you can see some of the steam in the video, but it is very hot. And once the jelly is made, it goes into a bath and it is boiled. Each of those jars are boiled, and then once they come out, it is then sealed, and it is very hot doing this. It's very easy to burn your hands if you're not careful. And then you just let them cool. You set them aside and let them cool, and what eventually you will hear is each of those jars, you will hear a pop as those jars cool, as it seals. And that is something that if you don't hear that you don't hear that pop, you got to make sure that they seal, and that's something you can hear from most of your canning jars and that sort of thing. It's a very labor-intensive process, but the rewards are very good. Again, guys, this is just a quick video that I wanted to do, just kind of documenting what the process is on this. It's not a step-by-step how-to, but it just is to show a little bit about how a lot of people still do some of those old-fashioned things.
Or you can't make them feel good.